Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. I haven't done one of those in a little while, so I figured I would do it. And also, I got suspended off of my stock twits, where I had a lot of followers there. I had 1,000 followers or whatever it was, and they suspended my account. I don't know why. So guys, make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all, so this way you don't miss any of my videos, and so you guys don't miss any of these moves. So first thing first, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. The first thing we're going to look at is Bitcoin on the daily. Now, guys, I did a video yesterday on Bitcoin, and we hit our target perfectly at the bottom. I mean, look at this, guys. I had 36 639.94, and the low is 36 640.94. That is incredible. So we hit it, literally we were $1 off. Unbelievable. Awesome move. You watched that video yesterday. Congratulations. Now this upside target, I don't believe I just did a video, guys. And I did a video just now and it didn't download. So there might be some lines right here. Like for example, I didn't have this exact target. I had it going a little bit higher, which I think we are going to still go higher in this move. So we were about, not much, like $100 off here for the target. So it wasn't that bad of a move. But yeah, I did just put this line there for some of you guys. So because this is a line that I want to clear. All right. So let's make a new high here. Let's hold this area here coming in right around 36 600. And then if that doesn't hold, guys, I would look for 36 100. And then I don't want to see us closing a daily under 34 or 35 400. If we do that, then we could see these lower levels down here. And we don't want to see those levels. So let's see if we can get some continuation. Beautiful looking bounce though. The daily is looking good. The 4 hour is looking okay. Some things are a little bit high. The hour, we could get a little bit of a pullback on the hour. So let's see if we trade sideways here or get a little bit of pullback. But the daily is looking phenomenal. If we do get a pullback, let's look for anywhere from this range here from 37,500 to 37. Pretty much 37,500 to 37, maybe 400 area. Anywhere in that range, I would be looking for a bounce and then go higher because I believe on the daily we're going to go higher. And eventually we're going to test this 39,650. And if we do clear that, then we could be looking at this 42,500, 43, anywhere in this range, 42,500 to 4,300. And then I really want to clear this 44,453. If we could do that, then yes, we could see the 48 and touch that and see what happens there. But right now we could see a little short-term pullback based on the hourly. But then again, the daily's looking so good. Well, the daily's coming down now. So we could see a short-term pullback and then more upside. All right. The candle just closed 1 minute ago. So this is a new daily. So when I did this when I did this video, I believe it was on Sunday, we hit that perfect. Okay. And then I did a video on Ethereum. We're going to go to that now. We're going to move on. I did a Ethereum video on Saturday. So this is Saturday and Sunday's candle right here, right? Oh, no, I'm sorry, right here. This is when I did the video. We hit my target perfect to the upside, perfect to the downside. But I didn't do a video on this yesterday. But I had this area right here. I had, let's see, 27. Well, I said 2,700 to 2730, and we did technically get above 2,700. We got 2,708, but I drew this box to make it more clear. I just drew this box, but I did have this target right here on this, and this was Saturday's video. We nailed our targets perfect. And then I said if this does break down, we could retest this area here, which we hit that area perfect as well, guys. Absolutely crushing it. Yes, we are getting a little pullback based on the hour chart, you can see here things are starting to come down on the hour chart, temporarily pulling back. The 4 hour, I could see a pullback here as well, getting ready to happen soon. The daily, though, guys, is looking amazing. So if we do pull back, I would be looking at this range right here at 25.50 to 25.60 area. Okay, so that'd be the area I'd be looking for a pullback. If that does fail, then let's see if this 25 area holds, or our previous box of this 24.72, if that holds. Okay, so to the upside, I want to see a daily candle closing above this 27.30, and then we can push up to 28, get to this 29.33, and then this 3,052 area, and then our upper targets at 34.20 and 31.88. We'll go from there. But yeah, see, like I said, this could be a small pullback, guys, because everything else on the chart is looking good. It's just the hourly is not looking the greatest. Let's see. Boom. And like I said, the 4 hours, just some things are a little bit high. Yeah, we could see a pullback here short term, and then more upside movement. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Matic, guys, I didn't chart Matic for a little bit, but when we did, we nailed these targets perfect last time I charted it. Boom, boom, to the upside and the downside, hit them perfect. Then we hit this one that I had 70 and 56, nailed that one. That was our other one. Then I haven't really charted it since. Let me get rid of this. Now this 152 I did not have, guys, but I marked that based on this area right here. But we did have this area coming in right here, which we're currently getting supported off of, which I want to see. I want to see this hold up anywhere from 163 to 162. This was our area for a bounce. So that's good. And let's see if we can get back above this 200. We did close above the 200, guys. Awesome. This is good right here. This is good. This blue line is the 200-day moving average. If it lets me do it, I'll show you guys. 200-day moving average. We did get a candle closing above there. So let's see if we can get back above there by the end of the day. The candle just opened up 4 minutes ago. We are getting a nice bounce off my 163 area. So that is awesome. If 163 doesn't hold, then I would look for this 156 to hold. What I don't want to see the 149. If the 149 fails, then yeah, we could see these lower levels. So as long as that doesn't happen, I still think we're going to the upside. Let's look at the 4 hour chart real quick. 4 hour. Yeah, could see a little pullback, but as long as it doesn't show me, well, we could see a little bit of pullback. Actually, 4 hours not telling me much. Let's look at the hour. Yeah, the hour is showing me there's a potential pullback that could be happening. So if that pullback does happen, look for this. I don't think it's going to be much of a pullback, guys. If it does, maybe 161, or we could get down to even this area at 156. All right. But then eventually I think we're going to go back up because the daily's looking good. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Cardano, we got a bounce off this 109. You can see the support right here. This candle, double bottom. I would like to see that area hold, or I'm sorry, not 109. A dollar, just say a dollar, guys, because it's dollar and like a tenth of a penny. So just a dollar. Let's see if the dollar holds up. And then I want to get past this $1.08, $1.07, which I haven't done a video in a couple days on this one. And look, guys, we hit our target perfect on each one. Look, boom, boom, boom. Each one. All you had to do is watch that video and you would have caught all these moves. And look, we even had this downside move at 102, which I want to see this area hold up now. I want to see the 102, 103 hold up. If that fails, then the dollar area. That's what I'm looking at for Cardano. For the upside, I want to see us break this finally at 107 and 108. And then maybe we can move up to the 118 and go higher in this move. That's what I'm looking at for Cardano, guys. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour. It's looking okay. It's maybe a little short term, like everything else, a little short term pullback. But the 4 hours aren't looking bad. So the 4 hours looking okay. So it could potentially keep going up and test this range. So keep an eye on that. Same thing with Ethereum. It's wowing me, guys, because short term, I mean, 4 hours not looking too bad. So it's just the hourlies are not looking the greatest. So just keep that in mind. Cardano, we talked about. Solana. Guys, I would like to see a daily candle finally closing above 100, which we didn't get that, but we are pushing that now. But we got to see tomorrow around 7 if this candle closes above there. That would be nice. And I want to clear this target also on a daily above 104 and 115. If we do get a pullback, I would look in this 96 to 95 range. And then I want to see this 85 and 87 hold up, okay? Yeah, and if we can break that 115, 130 would be on deck. So that's what I'm looking at for Solano, guys. That's looking good. Let's look at the 1 hour real quick, or let's look at the 4 hour. So we're looking at 4 hours kind of topping out. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour is getting there, so there could be a potential pullback eventually to the levels that I talked about, and then a bounce, and then more upside. Because let's see the daily. The daily is looking phenomenal. So the bigger term time frames are looking very, very good right now, guys. And if you guys watched my video from the other day, we talked about that. They are looking very, very healthy. So I would look for more moves to the upside, maybe some short-term pullbacks, and then eventually more upside in these moves. Shib Army, Shib Nation. I did a video the other day. I just moved that by accident. Okay. Where was it? Right here? I think I had it there. But anyways, we had our move. We hit our upside target. Perfect. We were just a little bit off on, not much, guys. Only like a quarter of a. I don't even know how to even put that. Not even like a tenth of a percentage. We were off barely on the downside move on this candle here when I did my video. I think it was Saturday. And then we got this bounce from this move here, double bottom right here. You can see touch here, coming in right around 2010. So let's see if that area holds up. We could come down. You could see how I did this video and I drew all this up for you guys, which stinks. We could come down here, test this area again, and then go higher. But what I want to see is I want to see this 22 get a daily candle closing above there, and then the 2250 would be my target for a daily candle close to get above there to maybe push up past this and get past these previous highs over here. So that's what I'm looking at for SHIB. Not much there. Let's look at the 4 hour real quick. 4 hour. 4 hours looking like there could be some more upside. The hour, that's coming down a little bit. So maybe a little short-term pullback eventually and then upside. But it is holding support. Our old resistance right here coming in right around 2135, which I'll mark that for you guys because I have it, but I don't have it. There we go. So that is holding up. So let's see. Actually, let's bring that down to right there. There's a lot of touch points. 2130. 2130 is looking like it's holding. So let's see if that can hold short term for more continuation. If not, like I said, we talked about our other targets. How much time do I have? 13 minutes. Avalanche, guys. Awesome. Awesome move. We nailed our W perfect. I haven't charted this in a while. Last time I charted it, I talked about this W playing out. Look at this. We hit our target perfect at 73. This is on the 4 hour chart. So if I go to the daily, I talked about this. What was it? Back here. So it was like, a couple, like 4 days ago, something like that. But we nailed that perfect. We hit it, got rejected. Then we came back down into this would be my zone that I want to see hold up, 64 to 65. Short term, could we see a pullback to 67? Yes. But if this area doesn't hold up, 64, 65, then we could be looking at 61. Okay. But right now, everything's looking good, and we do have a potential W again, guys. If we do break this 73, we could go a lot higher in this move again. So let's see if we can break 73 and 75, get a 4 hour or a daily candle closing up there. Would be very bullish, and we could probably test this 87 to 97 area. So that's what I'm looking at there for Avalanche, short-term pullback. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is showing me a little bit of a pullback. See, this is very tricky, guys. 4 hour showing a little upswing. So 4 hours looking good. The 1 hour is not looking that great. The daily's looking good. Let's look at the daily. The daily's looking, well, no, we already had that pullback. So that, well, the daily might get a little pullback. So maybe we retest this area again and then pull back. Let's see. We talk about a W, so hopefully it doesn't flip into an M. But let's see what happens, guys. FOMO and momentum can push this thing up if we do break out of this pattern. So keep that in mind. So this one's I have mixed feelings about. Ethereum, same way. Ethereum is real tough for me, guys, because we're maxing out on the 4 hour. Last time I think we're coming maxing out on the 1 hour almost. A lot of things are telling me we're about to. No, the divergence went away, but we're still kind of high on the RSI on the 1 hour. Even here, we didn't get the cross down yet, but there's a lot of things telling me that there could be a pullback on Ethereum, but the daily is just looking so awesome. I mean, look at the daily, guys. Awesome. So, but momentum is coming down on an upswing. So with that being said, yeah, we probably could see that pullback. But let's go. Bitcoin, the daily, it looks like we could touch this area, maybe push up to here. Let's see what happens, guys. The daily's looking phenomenal. So we're still in this trend. Let's see if we can break out of this trend and go. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit the bell. Hit the bell, hit the all, so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm also going to put my link to Twitter in the description. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, I'll put a link to Webull. If you guys sign up using my link, you deposit $100, you get, I think it's 3 shares or 6 shares. They still might be running that, but it's just free money. You let your money settle. You can always take your money out and get some free money. It's just a way for me to give back to you guys. Listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching my video. Keep supporting us, and we're going to get this thing going, and we're going to do some great things in the future here, guys. I promise you that. Much love to you guys, and peace out.